one of our recent clients, we were hired on there because the CIO we had worked with in a prior organization, and he had a new role in a new organization, and he immediately recognized that his EA program was not providing the value that he needed. So he brought us in, and it was interesting because the EA group at first, I think, was really wary of our engagement. But once they realized that we could help them achieve either both a higher degree of value and also be more recognized in the organization as a viable unit, they really bought into what we were doing. And we were there for actually several years, helping to kind of build the program and really move from sort of a technical architecture and solution architecture into also the business architecture space, data architecture spaces. So it was a really effective effort, and it made that CIO, start out much better in his role and his job, and really got buy-in from the business. So it was a good story. Another area where we recently got engaged was a very large beverage company who was embarking on a global automation strategy. It's really part of their digital automation. And they had breweries and facilities throughout the world that were really automating at different levels with different tools, and there was no consistency. So the goal of the program was to build consistency, and there was a huge data analytics capability that came with that. If you can imagine all the data from all these facilities being in one place, being of common nature, there was real value, and they recognized that. The problem was they were having a real difficult time selling this program to the business. And it's many hundreds of millions of dollars, and there was a real challenge there to get buy-in across all the different zones and stakeholders to really do this investment. So when we got engaged, we were really kind of helping with some cost modeling, but we quickly said to them, we can help you tell a better story to the business. And they then engaged us to help build a business capability model for this organization. And we then used that model to build the business case, cost models, really everything that drove the business case for the digital investment. They've now effectively launched that program, and it's several $100 million per year, and they've been able to get funding and get buy-in to the benefits that they're going to deliver. So.